Thank you so much for your comment. I'm not the original creator of this pattern, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the link to the YouTube video that I used and I followed to make this pattern. I just wanted to tell you a few notes if you're wanting to make it into a scarf, because the YouTube tutorial is called a swatch for a baby blanket, I believe. And so what I did is I just followed her step by step, because apparently you're supposed to be able to continue it out lengthwise. I just followed her exact stitches step by step, doing the different rows, and then I just continue to repeat it. And I used the same amount of stitches that she did, and it came out to this length. I used the Red Heart Super Saver Aran color, and it came out to this. And so the size, if you use the same yarn that I did, it comes out to about 9.5 inches. And then I just followed her tutorial exactly for her swatch, but I just made it into a scarf. Another really cool feature I thought is, I believe this is the start. When you start the tutorial, this is how it starts, and then this is how it ends. And so you could just leave it like this, how I did, or you could also take it, because it lines up, and you could make it an infinity scarf. So it's a really fun tutorial, and it makes a beautiful pattern. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and have a great day. Happy crafting.